Is it really possible to go from zero to financial hero? Can you really start with nothing but a burning desire and create a legacy that spans generations? Well, my friends, buckle up, because we're about to unveil the proven strategies that have propelled countless individuals from rags to riches. Whether you're a recent graduate drowning in student loans, an aspiring entrepreneur with a dream and determination, or someone who's been stuck in the cycle of living paycheck to paycheck, this video is your roadmap to rewriting your financial story. But here's the twist: we're not just going to skim the surface with generic advice you've heard a million times before. No, we're diving into the nitty-gritty, the step-by-step actions that will take you from where you are now to where you want to be. From creating airtight budgets that work for your lifestyle, to uncovering the hidden investment opportunities that others overlook. And you know the best part, this isn't just theory. These are the battle-tested tactics that have propelled countless individuals, just like you, to extraordinary financial heights. We're talking about real stories, real strategies, and real results. So if you're ready to learn the untold truth about money and how to build wealth from nothing, then make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my future videos. And now, let's get started.
Myth versus reality. Starting from nothing. Addressing common misconceptions.
Now, before we dive into the depths of wealth building, let's confront a prevailing misconception head-on. You see, it's widely believed that you need a hefty initial capital to kickstart your journey to financial prosperity. But let me tell you, that's just a myth waiting to be shattered. The truth is, building wealth isn't about starting with a mountain of cash. It's about starting with the right mindset and strategic game plan.
It's like this.
Imagine your mind as a treasure chest of innovative ideas. You don't need a vault full of gold to open it. All it takes is the right key. And that key is the belief that wealth is attainable, regardless of your initial resources. Let's face it, friends, limitations are merely stepping stones to success. That brings us to our next point.
Success stories and examples.
But hey, don't just take my word for it. Let's dive into real-life success stories that will leave you inspired and ready to break free from the constraints of doubt. A former neighbor of mine, Sarah, a college graduate who embarked on her journey with nothing more than a laptop and unwavering determination. She didn't let her lack of funds hold her back. Instead, she used her skills to start a freelance business that eventually grew beyond her wildest dreams. And then there's Mark, another former neighbor of mine, a passionate entrepreneur who turned his garage into a workshop. Armed with creativity and resourcefulness, he crafted a product that went viral, paving the way to financial independence. What's the common thread here? It's not about the resources they started with, but the resourcefulness they displayed. Their unwavering belief in themselves and their innovative approaches fueled their journey from ground zero to prosperity. These stories aren't anomalies. They're blueprints for anyone looking to rewrite their financial story. Remember, wealth building is a mindset shift away. So let's keep those myths in the rearview mirror as we venture into the heart of building wealth from nothing. With our misconceptions put to rest, let's dive into the secret sauce of success, the wealth-building mindset that can transform your aspirations into achievements.
The wealth-building mindset.
Now that we've dismantled those misconceptions about needing a fortune to start building wealth, it's time to delve into the heart of success, the wealth-building mindset.
The power of mindset.
At the core of every financial triumph lies a mindset that radiates positivity and embraces growth. You see, your beliefs are like the blueprint of your life. They shape your decisions, your actions, and ultimately, your outcomes.
Picture this.
A positive mindset is like a GPS guiding you toward your desired destination. It fuels your journey, keeps you focused, and empowers you to navigate even the trickiest of terrains.
Let's explain how beliefs shape actions and outcomes.
But here's the real magic: your beliefs have a domino effect on your actions. When you genuinely believe that wealth is achievable, your actions align with that belief. Your decisions become strategic, your choices deliberate, and your persistence unbreakable. It's as if your thoughts hold the power to transform mere intentions into tangible results. So, before you think about amassing wealth, think about nurturing a mindset that's primed for prosperity.
Mindset shifts for success.
Now, let's dive into the nitty-gritty, the specific mindset shifts that are the secret sauce behind wealth-building success.
First on our menu of mindset shifts, fear of failure.
You know, that little voice that whispers doubts in your ear. It's time to silence it. Embrace failure as a stepping stone. not a stumbling block. Each setback is a lesson in disguise, propelling you closer to your goals.
Embracing challenges. That's shift number 2.
The path to prosperity isn't all smooth sailing. It's rugged terrain with growth opportunities at every turn. So, step out of your comfort zone, face challenges head on, and watch as you conquer them one by one.
Lastly, the golden key to unlocking success. Learning from mistakes.
Instead of dwelling on missteps, analyze them. Extract the wisdom they offer, and use that knowledge to pave a smoother road ahead. Remember, wealth building isn't just about numbers. It's about the journey you embark upon, the mindset you nurture, and the transformative power of your beliefs.
Strategic financial planning.
Now that we've equipped you with the wealth building mindset, it's time to lay the foundation for your journey to financial freedom, where every decision you make becomes a building block of your success.
Creating a solid foundation.
Imagine your financial future as a grand structure, and financial planning as the cornerstone that upholds it. Yes, we're talking about planning a deliberate strategy that takes you from where you are to where you want to be. It all starts with clear financial goals. These are like the North Star guiding your journey. They help you stay focused, motivated, and give purpose to every financial decision you make. Without goals, you're navigating in the dark. But with them, you're charting a course towards your dream life.
Crafting a budget that works.
Now, let's get into the nuts and bolts of making those financial dreams a reality. It's time to craft a budget that isn't just numbers on paper, but a roadmap to your aspirations. Crafting a budget that aligns with your goals is like designing the blueprint for your financial future. It's not about restricting yourself. It's about giving your money a purpose, whether it's building an emergency fund, investing, or traveling the world. Here's where the rubber meets the road. Here are some practical tips for creating a budget that works.
Number 1. Track your expenses.
Get a clear picture of where your money is going. Those daily coffee runs might be more impactful than you think.
Number 2. Cut unnecessary costs.
Identify those budget leaks, the subscriptions you don't use, the impulse purchases. Redirect that money towards your goals.
Number 3. Save aggressively.
Prioritize saving, just like you would any other bill. Make it non-negotiable. The beauty of budgeting lies in its flexibility. It adapts as your goals evolve and guides you towards financial milestones, step by step. Now, let's talk about compound interest, a force that can turn pennies into fortune over time.
The magic of compound interest.
In the realm of building wealth, there's a hidden gem waiting to be uncovered.
Unleashing the compound interest magic. Picture this.
You drop a pebble into a pond. The ripples you see on the surface, that's compound interest in action. It's the principle of earning interest on your initial investment, and then watching that interest turn its own interest. In simpler terms, it's like planting a seed that grows into a tree, which then bears fruits that contain even more seeds. The longer your money compounds, the greater the impact. But don't just take my word for it. Let's visualize its impact over time. As you can see from the graph, that initial investment isn't just growing linearly. It's accelerating, multiplying, and propelling you toward financial freedom.
Maximizing investment returns.
Now that you're enchanted by the allure of compound interest, let's talk about how you can make the most of it through strategic investments. Long-term investments are like planting an oak tree. It takes time for the tree to grow, but once it's established, it becomes a source of shade and sustenance for generations to come. Stocks, like fertile soil, have the potential to yield substantial returns. Their value may fluctuate, but over time, they have a history of growth that outpaces inflation. Mutual funds, on the other hand, are like a diverse garden. They pull money from multiple investors to invest in various assets, reducing risk and optimizing returns. And don't forget about retirement accounts. They're like the ultimate long-term investment. They offer tax advantages and compound interest, ensuring your golden years are indeed golden. The key here is to diversify your investments, nurturing a garden of opportunities that work together to create a bountiful harvest. Now that you understand compound interest, get ready to explore untapped investment opportunities that others often overlook. Your journey to wealth is about to take an exciting twist. Keep watching until the end of this video.
Identifying opportunities others miss.
Now, you've harnessed the power of compound interest. It's time to sharpen your detective skills and uncover investment opportunities that others often overlook.
Research and staying informed.
The more you know, the better equipped you are to seize opportunities that might be hiding in plain sight. Knowledge truly is the key that unlocks the doors to financial growth.
Highlight less conventional investment opportunities that are often overlooked.
Let's dive into a realm of opportunities that often fly under the radar, the less conventional investments that have the potential to bring significant returns. Ever thought about investing in collectibles? From rare coins to vintage comics, these unique assets can appreciate over time and diversify your portfolio in unexpected ways. And what about peer-to-peer lending? By directly lending to individuals or small businesses, you can earn interest that can rival traditional investments. These are just a few of the hidden gems that can set your financial journey on a different course.
Real estate and entrepreneurship.
Now, let's dive into two realms where opportunities abound: real estate investments and the thrilling world of entrepreneurship. Imagine real estate investments as building blocks. Just as you construct a strong foundation, investing in property can yield consistent rental income and the potential for appreciation over time. And then there's entrepreneurship, the art of turning your passions into profits. By starting a side business, you're creating an additional stream of income that can grow alongside your investments. Let's not forget, while success stories are inspiring, there are also cautionary tales. Entrepreneurship and real estate come with risks, so due diligence is essential.
Navigating challenges and staying persistent.
Let's not forget that the road to financial success isn't always paved with gold. It's time to equip you with the tools to navigate challenges and stay unflinchingly persistent on your journey.
Overcoming obstacles.
Let's face it, while building wealth is an exhilarating adventure, it's not without its challenges. Financial setbacks are like roadblocks on your journey. They can be unexpected expenses, market downturns, or business ventures that didn't pan out as planned. But here's the silver lining. Setbacks are not failures. They're merely detours. The key is to acknowledge them, learn from them, and then find your way back to the main road stronger and wiser.
Persistence and long-term vision.
Now, let's talk about a trait that separates the successful from the discouraged: persistence. Remember, building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. It's about staying committed to your long-term goals, even when short-term challenges arise. Here are some strategies to keep that flame of persistence burning, even during the darkest of times.
Number 1. Celebrate small wins.
Every step, no matter how small, is a victory. Acknowledge your progress and use it as fuel to keep going.
Number 2. Visualize success.
Picture yourself attaining your goals. This mental image can bolster your determination and help you overcome hurdles.
Number 3. Surround yourself with support.
Connect with like-minded individuals who understand your journey and can provide encouragement when you need it most. Remember, each challenge you overcome is a stepping stone toward your dreams. And when you stay committed to your long-term vision, setbacks become mere bumps in the road.
Building a legacy.
As our journey through the realms of wealth building approaches its zenith, let's explore a dimension that transcends personal gain, the art of building a lasting legacy that echoes through generations.
Generational wealth and impact.
Imagine your financial journey as a baton, one that you pass on to the next generation. This is the heart of generational wealth. It's not just about amassing riches for yourself. It's about creating a foundation that can empower your children, grandchildren, and beyond. The significance lies in the ripple effect, how your decisions today can shape the opportunities and possibilities for your descendants tomorrow.
How financial decisions today can impact future generations. Picture this.
Every dollar saved, every investment made, is a building block of your legacy. Whether it's funding education, ensuring healthcare, or supporting their dreams, your financial decisions today are the stepping stones to a brighter future for those who come after you. It's a profound realization that your journey isn't just about yourself. It's about paving the way for your loved ones to walk a path less burdened by financial worries.
Giving back and paying it forward.
Now, let's explore a dimension of legacy building that's often underestimated: the art of giving back. As you ascend the ladder of success, remember to extend a hand to those still climbing. The impact of your actions can create a chain reaction of positive change, touching lives beyond your immediate circle. Consider the story of Jane Doe, who used a portion of her wealth to establish scholarships for underprivileged students. Or John Doe, who founded a nonprofit to provide clean water to communities in need. These individuals exemplify the power of using wealth as a force for good, leaving an indelible legacy that extends beyond financial prosperity. Check out this video to see
Retire as a Billionaire.
Also, subscribe to the channel so we can help you with tips on how to grow your wealth and be financially free. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.